So, 2026 na. I want to leave my 2025 self for being selfish person I am. This 2025, I realized and learned that I was really selfish and a bit of narcissistic. Masyado ko lang iniisip yung sarili ko to the point na hindi ko na iniintindi yung ibang tao. And I didn't realize na naapektahan na sila. Not until I just communicated to them. Yun, gusto kong iwanin yung selfish self ko from 2025. I want to move on this 2026 na selfless. Thinking more of others. Yes, nagawa ko ngang maging selfish to the point. Selfish na on a good side. Napangalagaan ko sarili ko, pinakain ko sarili ko. Nag-aaral ako, and such as that. Nagawa ko yun before. Pero ngayon, syempre, hindi ganong tulad dati. Just wanna leave that 2025 self of being selfish. And actually care and understand others. Not only what I want, but also for the great circumstances. But also thinking of others and understanding others. Yun lang yung gusto kong... No, actually, I also want to connect more with God this year. Read Bible, kahit hindi ganun daily, basta mabasa and makapag-connect lang with God. Pray morning, pray at night, even pray at meals. Be grateful, especially in the morning. Thank God. Whenever I'm doing something, either it is hard, difficult, or easy, I'll always want to think of God and put my intention to God only. And also money. I really want to achieve a specific amount of money, and I know at this year I will achieve it. Alam ko lang talaga. Kahit ngayong December, I only achieved it only halfway there. Halfway na lang ako dun Pero this year, I believe I can have all the time, I can have all the learnings, and even apply more work. Kasi I know that the clay pot principle that I've been applying from Alex Hormozi, which is the number of volumes you do of work, is more important than the quality of only doing one or less of a day. Just do more volume work, and you'll see the output that you've been looking for. Yun ang sabi ni Alex Hormozi. Now, I'm applying that, and I've been seeing results from doing that. So I'll be consistently doing that and build a system that will align to my goals and it also depends to my activity level. Of course, not all the things can work for me, and not all the things that are working for me might work for you. It won't. But pwede namang mag-try. Walang masamang mag-try. Walang mawawala kung mag-try ka. Even if it's something that you would risk, just try. Just risk it all. Hindi naman risk it all, just risk something. If there is no risk, there is no story. And if body goals, fitness goals, masyado kasi I don't really matter that much sa physique. I'm already at my strongest, even though hindi ako kind of consistently this December. I still want to be consistent, but not much as like a bodybuilder. Maybe aesthetic wise, maintain, gain a bit of size, and nothing too much. And also calisthenics, a bit of calisthenics. I'll bring back my front lever practice skill. Okay, I'll do the shit. Also the trading shit. I will be consistently trading properly with balanced risk and journaling each trade. Either won't win or lose. And I think that's the plan. But also on what I've been currently doing is also my clothing brand, my business, my personal brand also. I'll just continue doing it. Kung ano yung nasimulan ko, tutuloy ko lang. Kasi alam kong may madadala yun para sa future ko. Kapag tinuloy-tuloy ko lang. It's just that foundation na meron ako. So, I'll just continue at doing what I do. And I think I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. If you're seeing this right now, it might be low quality, but I do not care. It's just a matter of fact that I just want to live my selfish version of 2025 and move on being a more selfless person and more faithful with God and less I want to be less narcissist. Actually, I want to be more empathetic or something like empathy. Show more empathy to the people I love, to the people I care about, to my family, friends. And just love thy neighbor instead of loving myself. You know? Don't worry. I'll confess naman ako yung sins later. You know?